Allah has used the Arabic word ba'udata for mosquitoes, which refers to the female mosquito. This means that the mosquito that bites a human and sucks his blood is a female, not a male. It is only recently that man has been able to develop advanced microscopes that can zoom in on this small creature and show if a mosquito is a male or a female. And only after that, we have been able to discover that it is the female mosquito which sucks the blood, not the male one. Subhanallah. And the Quran had told us 1400 years ago, Imam Jafar as-Sadiq radiallahu ta'ala said about this small creature that apparently a mosquito is a small creature, but even this small size, it has got all the body parts as in the most giant animals, especially elephants. Not just that, it has 2 additional parts as well, wings and horns. Yet it is 1,000 times smaller than a wild animal. If this does not display the qudrat and glory of Allah, then what else does? Medical science has only recently discovered that the eyes of a mosquito represent a whole another world of eyes. A mosquito's eyes have hundreds of small lenses and are huge to provide this creature with the sensitive and accurate vision that it has. That is why it is said that a mosquito has 100 eyes and all of them are in his head. There are more than 3,000 species of mosquitoes, each having different habitats and other characteristics, and this is only a rough estimate. We are still not sure how many different types of mosquitoes are there. A mosquito has 3 hearts and all of them are of 3 different kinds. It has 48 teeth, more than any mammal. The trunk of the mosquito has 6 knives, each with a different purpose. It has several advanced sensory systems, and that is how it recognizes a man's skin in the dark. Its saliva has an anesthetic substance which paralyzes the area of the body it is biting. That is the reason why we don't feel it when a mosquito is biting our skin. Mosquitoes have an advanced system of testing the blood. That is why they do not suck everyone's blood. The most amazing discovery about a mosquito is the parasite that sits on the wings of the mosquito. The wings are lighter than air. Imagine another living being sitting on them. This parasite is even small and lowly than a mosquito. And that is what Allah was talking about in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah. Allah is not ashamed to propound the parable of a mosquito or even of something more lowly. When He said, even more lowly, this parasite is what He meant. Mosquitoes have huge appetites. When compared with other insects and creatures, mosquitoes can eat and drink several times their size. This mosquito was the one who brought drastic, sudden and a lowly death to the proud and arrogant king Namrud. Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala an said that if all the creation of this world came together to make a tiny mosquito, they would not be able to. The disbelievers mocked Allah's examples in the Quran only because they were ignorant. Without doubt, Allah's wisdom and knowledge is beyond any limits. Tell us in the